Hello everyone, my name is Italia Ruiz, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to pose for your headshots. Whenever you're taking your headshots, make sure you communicate with your photographer to see what light he is using. Maybe sometimes they're going to be more dramatic, sometimes it's going to be more neutral, so make sure that you communicate with him or her so you can see what poses you want to do. You can also play around with your hands. Instead of having pictures without your hands, you can move them up and not have them too awkward. So you can have them on your face, you can put them on your shoulder, close to your neck, whatever you want to do, as long as you keep them closed and they're just not like awkward all over the place. Remember, angles are important also. So you don't want to always look directly at the camera. That's important too. Look at the camera, but you also want to have angles, so you can look to one side or up or down. Also play around with your eyes, so you can look up, you can look down, and remember to have movements in between pictures. So you don't want so many pictures with just one pose. Like this, you can go move up, whatever you want. You can move up your shoulders too to switch up the picture so you can add levels. And make sure you practice your faces. So you can have serious, you can have happier or just more neutral pictures, and just play around with the different expressions. So now we can go to the studio and I can show you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember that if this video was helpful to you, subscribe, like, and comment. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. Thank you.